Thinking of selling your home and you're not sure what repairs to tackle first? Let's talk about the key home repairs and maintenance tasks that can make a big difference in getting top dollar for your home. Hey, I'm Chelsie Runnings. I am your local real estate expert servicing Sonoma and Shasta counties. Before putting your home on the market, it's important to make sure it's in the best shape possible. Small repairs and maintenance can boost your home's value and appeal to buyers. So let's go over the key areas you should focus on to ensure your home stands out. Start with small repairs that can make a big impact, like fixing leaky faucets, repairing chipped paint, or patching up holes in the walls. These small fixes show buyers that the home has been well cared for and can prevent them from focusing on minor issues during their inspection. Next, you're going to want to focus on curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing that buyers will see, so make sure it's welcoming. Trim the lawn, power wash the driveway, and add a fresh coat of paint to the front door if needed. Simple landscaping improvements like adding flowers or fresh mulch can also boost first impression. I've been with buyers who have decided to leave without stepping in the front door simply because of the curb appeal. While small repairs are important, major systems and appliances can also make or break a deal. Make sure your HVAC system, plumbing, and electrical work are in good condition. If the buyer knows these systems are in top shape, it can make them feel more confident about their purchase. But if you can't afford the repairs, then just be ready to factor these costs into your listing price or consider offering a seller concession for the repairs after purchase. Kitchens and bathrooms make a huge impression on buyers. You don't need to do a full renovation, but consider updating outdated fixtures, replacing old appliances, or adding a fresh coat of paint. Even small changes like a new cabinet hardware or modern backsplash can give your kitchen and bathrooms a more updated look. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to prepare your home is by deep cleaning and decluttering. Buyers want to envision themselves in the space, and a clean, clutter-free home actually helps them do that. Clear out any personal items, tidy up closets, and make sure everything in the home looks fresh and inviting. If you want to be proactive, consider getting a pre-listing inspection. This gives you the chance to identify and address any issues before buyers see them. It can help prevent surprises during the buyer's inspection and make the process smoother overall. Before you list your home, focusing on these repairs and maintenance tasks can make a huge difference in how quickly your home sells and for how much. A little effort can pay off big later and helping you get top dollar. So if you need help figuring out which repairs will give you the best return on investment, reach out to me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone thinking of selling their home.